We're gonna go over the check on them. I'll show you how to check them. The fan and the blower resistor. All you need is a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, really. We're not gonna, let's see if I can get a flashlight on there. See, that's it right there. That white little triangular, double-sided triangular looking device there with the plug going into it with the blue and the black. That's the fan resistor. So we're gonna change it out, but we're not gonna record the changing out of it. It's really, really simple. It's just two Phillips head screws, but I'm gonna show you how to check it to see if it's good or bad.